My name is Sarah Mitchell. I'm a senior training ops manager at Moody's. I have over 20 years of experience in sales operations and enablement. And the last 2.5 years, I've been with Moody's, focusing on solely in sales enablement and working with our wonderful and very exciting sales organization. So our goal is really to empower the sales team and helping them reach their goals and reaching those company initiatives. And so we do this through collaboration with the internal stakeholders. So it's developing those very impactful relationships. It's the content and resources, making sure they're high quality and current. And of course, it's giving them those tools that they need to empower them during their selling journey. And of course, we're so happy to have Highspot added to that sales tech stack to enable them to do this. So having Highspot has really been a game changer for us because through developing those relationships with our internal stakeholders, we're taking that learning, that training, those materials, and we've been able to centralize that in Highspot and really showcase that and make sure that our sellers are getting the best content when they're accessing Highspot, and they have the confidence that when they go to Highspot, they're getting what they need, that's current, high quality, and that it's what they can use in the marketplace. Crucial for us to make sure that we were developing a very robust onboarding program for our new sales hires. We owe it to them. They're coming into the company. We need to make sure that they're prepared for their selling journey. And so we were able to use Highspot in developing a certification for their onboarding program. And we've been able to date to onboard 150 new sellers just starting at the end of March. So Highspot has played a huge role in allowing us to do that. Another initiative that we have is making sure that we are reboarding our existing seller base, that they are still part of this entire program. And so we have developed a reboard program, where we call it Investing Yourself, the Moody story, a learning program that allows them to get certified in knowing what the company they work for, the industry they're selling to. We've also have elevator pitches that we have certifications for, and we're using sales plays to enable the sellers in their selling theme or why change messaging. We need to make sure that we're bringing the best content to our sales organization, and we can only do that through Highspot. We have such amazing content created by our talented teams, and it was crucial that we were leveraging Highspot in order to make sure that we were centralizing everything for the sales team. And that way the sales team then has confidence when they go into Highspot and they're using it, that they know that it's the content, it's relevant, and it's what they should be using. So we really haven't been using Highspot for a full year, but what we have been seeing is that it's been embraced by the various departments across the organization. And so they have seen a reduction in the number of help cases that the sales team usually brings to them. That's been reduced because of the information, the resources that we hold in Highspot. Because of Highspot, it's really brought all the teams together, and that we talk about collaboration. It has been that sole point for us because the other teams know, the internal stakeholders, they know the functionality of Highspot, they want to use it, and they want to be able to use it because we all have the same client, which is the sales team. And so we're able to then use that in our conversations, and there's such excitement around Highspot. And so that's been the biggest change that we've seen, is that Highspot actually has unified us in that sense, because we all want to benefit from it and we all have different uses for it. And so this is something that we're excited to explore even more in the upcoming months.